Welcome back to the channel. It's Bubba. So hey, we had a few changes come up this last week. This is actually our first weekend we're doing it. We talked about it, I think, over on my build page. But we're gonna be moving. Lester, we gotta go. Come on. He wants to work on the truck, you know, and I told him. We gotta get this stuff packed. We're limited on time. We gotta get moved. We're gonna try to move to a bigger place anyway, where we can actually open a shop back up, you know, as far as working on the trucks. Not probably a public shop, but probably a shop for us. So we're still in that looking stage right now, but we're gonna be ready when we find one. Lester, I think he's trying to put that gauge cluster back in there, plug it back in for me. I think what he's doing. But anyway, we gotta get packed, get ready to move. We're not really limited on time, but the man asked us if we can to go ahead and try to find a place. He wants to sell this old house here. He offered it to me, but there's not enough room. You know, I'm outside working, you know what I mean? So we're gonna try to find us a better place, bigger place. Either have a shop already there, or a 2-3 car garage, you know, something more room. I got stuff packed, can't even use. But anyway, Lester, come on. I don't know. Well, we can do that later. But anyway, one of those things, you know, comes up. Been renting for the last few years, traveling with the pipeline down with the construction company. But anyway, kind of a set still deal. We're not moving no more. So I didn't think I was. Here we go. We're gonna get moving, and let me get going and start this packing up and see what happens. Lester, can you hear me, Lester? Lester, we gotta get packing. Come on, we gotta get packed. We can do that. Get that cigarette out of your mouth. What are you doing with a cigarette close to that truck? Well, I'll tell you about that. We don't do that around that truck. Yeah, well, you better come on. We gotta get packing. We gotta do now. Come on, let's go. Oh no. Hey. You ain't gotta get all mad. Let's start with that box over there. Lester, he getting it packed up there. Boy, he getting it. We got a lot to pack. This is just a little sample right here. We probably got boxes and days packed, you know. Hey Lester, I want to put the plastic, the connectors and all in one box and books in the other. Yeah, take the plastics out. Oh, hey, wait, what are you doing? What are you doing? Lester, that ain't no way to... Oh, no. I guess I done messed up again, didn't I, Lester? Huh? You know? Wait, whoa. You ain't got to throw that at me. Man, I tell you what. It's just one thing. Always one thing after another. Always. I got put up with stuff like that, you know. He gonna get all mad and road stuff. Put him outside. What I'm gonna do. I ain't putting up with it. All I have to do is put the plastics in one box and boots in the other. I'm gonna get all mad. But anyway, that blown small block Chevy I built for the truck. You want to hear it start? Check it out right here. Gonna be a good one. We gotta get it in there. I know Lester wants to get it done. You know, he wants to get the truck finished up. So do I. Things have changed right now. we gotta pack and get on down the road. You know, we all come into situations like that. You just have to bite the bullet and go on. You know, keep on moving, move on forward, don't stop. Just keep going, and things will get better later on. You know. Anyway, I'll throw some more content up about Lestah. He'll calm down, and I'll get him back on film again. He don't like being filmed, I tell you right now. I know he don't like being videoed. He talked to me about it, but hey, well, it is what it is. We're gonna do it, huh? Come on. Yeah, we are gonna go to work tomorrow. Tomorrow's September 26th. I haven't worked on September 26th in 20 years. After that, we off till we're gonna go back October 5th. We're off to the 4th. We're gonna try to get some stuff done. We'll see how things progress as we go. You know, I'll throw some stuff up, keep y'all posted, what's happening, where we're headed to. Go from there. Me and Lestah, we're gonna be there tomorrow, get some stuff done. So just keep an eye on the shorts. I'll throw Lestah up a few of them. And, check his attitude there once in a while. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time.